Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A80 and let me share with you how to remove credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll down and find more security and privacy. Now scroll down again and enter credential storage. At the very bottom of the list, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on Remove All User Certificates and confirm it with OK. Enter the screen lock if you've got one, and as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.